Hello everyone, welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making super soft and fluffy Suji Bao Buns made without maida and without oven. These steamed buns are simple, healthy and absolutely delicious. Take 3/4 cup warm water. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Always use warm water, not hot, to activate yeast perfectly. In another bowl, add 2 cups suji or semolina. Semolina makes the buns lighter and easier to digest than regular flour. Half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Then pour in the yeast mixture. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Using a hand mixer, beat the dough for 5 minutes until smooth. Beating the dough makes the bun extra fluffy. Rub a little oil on top and keep aside for 40 minutes to rise. Suji is rich in fiber and keeps you full for a long time. Steamed food is lighter and easier to digest. Now divide the dough into 2 equal parts. From each half, divide again into 4 equal pieces. Shape each pieces into a smooth ball. You can fill bao buns with sweet or savory fillings. Both taste amazing. Grease oil in a 6-inch mold. No refined flour means healthier and gut-friendly buns. Perfect option for kids' lunch or healthy snacks. Place baking paper. And place the prepared ball. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. Rest the shaped buns for 5 minutes so they rise before steaming. Boil some water in a pan. Place the mold inside and steam the buns for 10 to 15 minutes until they become soft and fluffy. Do not oversteam. They stay soft when cooked 10 to 15 minutes only. Your soft, light and healthy Suji Bao Buns are ready, perfect for stuffing with vegetable, chicken or sweet fillings. If you enjoyed this recipe, like and share this video. Tell me what filling should I make next for these Bao Buns. And don't forget to subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.